Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the responsibilities of business towards the owners, shareholders, and investors. So, first responsibility of business towards investor or shareholder is to ensure safety of investment. Whatever investor is investing, a business should provide them security that their investment will be safe. If business is not providing that facility, then investor will not be able to invest in the company. Second responsibility is to ensure fair and regular return on investment. Businessman has to give the assurity that whatever investment we are making in the business, it will be given regular return. क्लियर? जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट हम बिजनेस में कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस उसमें हमको प्रॉपरली रिटर्न प्रोवाइड करेगा. दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ business. After that, third one is give complete information regarding the financial position of the business. It is also very important that whatever is the condition of the business, it should be clear to the investor. If company is making loss, then company should show the loss in its final balance sheet, and if it is making profit, then that profit should be written in the final balance sheet. Company should not hide any information to the investor. Fourth responsibility is to ensure appreciation of investment by proper utilization of resources. Whatever resources are available with the company, that resources should be utilized properly. If company is not utilizing that resources properly, then it is not doing justification with the investor, because every investor want that his or her investment should be increased. It should get proper appreciation, otherwise they will withdraw their investment. And the fifth one is to give them opportunity to participate in decision making. Whatever decision company is taking, all the investor should be invited. They should be invited for participating. Or we can simply say, in a company we have studied that actual owner of the company is our shareholders, and shareholder enjoy voting rights. So through voting rights they can participate in decision making activity. Clear beta? So these was all the responsibility of the business towards shareholders or investors. I hope it is clear to you.